For 10 years on YouTube, I cannot make money. I cannot get subscribers. I cannot get any views until I learned this one simple thing that I actually learned from Mr. Beast. So most people, and this was me those first 10 years on YouTube, is I would think of a video idea. That's the very first thing I would do. And then I would actually go out, I'd shoot the video, I'd edit the video, I'd upload it. And then lastly, I'd be like, okay, what am I gonna title this thing? What's the thumbnail? I probably didn't have a thumbnail ready, so I'd come up with a screenshot and maybe add text or something to it. Now, when I would make these videos, and when you make your video first, you're gonna have a good average view duration. This is how long someone's gonna watch your video. And this is super important on YouTube. It's one of the two main things that matter. But then what happens is you come up with your title and your thumbnail based on the video that you just made. And when you do that, you're gonna have a lower click-through rate. And that means less people are going to click on the actual video, even if it was a really good video. And so I learned this from Mr. Beast. I decided to try it out for myself, and that is to collect lots of ideas. And so when I started this basketball channel, I would come up with Google Docs and pages of screenshots, titles, thumbnail ideas, just tons of different video ideas before I even shot the video. And then I would pick out the best ones, and then I'd actually bring them to my friends, and we would meet every single week, and I would ask them which ones they thought were the best. And so they'd help me choose, and that was really important. And then I decided to actually go ahead and go through with the thumbnail. I might have had an image or a rough idea of the thumbnail, but I would actually finalize the title and the thumbnail before even scripting my video, making my video whatsoever. And so I made the video last. And because of that, I got a ton of views and made a ton of money on that brand new YouTube channel. Real quick, this will take 2 seconds. If you're a business owner watching this and you want to learn how to grow your business on YouTube, I have a link down in the description, a free video for you to check out. That's it. Okay, back to the video. Now, Mr. Beast says that if no one clicks, no one watches. And it's true. No one's going to see your awesome video, even if it's the best in the world, if they don't click on it first. And so instead of doing this, I want you to think about maybe making your next YouTube video a little bit differently, which is thinking of the title and the thumbnail first. And when you do that, you can actually optimize for a good click-through rate. Most people don't know how to get people to click on their videos because it's an afterthought. But when you focus on, yeah, actually, this is a great video idea, but there's a good title, there's a good thumbnail, you're gonna have a good click-through rate. And what I call this inside of my YouTube program, the Content Academy, is packaging. We have topic, title, and thumbnail. Those are the 3 things you absolutely need in order to have a good click-through rate. When you do that, you can then make your video based on the packaging. So then you reverse engineer and go, okay, this is a great title, this is a great thumbnail. What's the content when they click on this that we can share with them that makes sense with the title and the thumbnail? And when you do that, you're gonna have a good average view duration as well. And when you have those 2 things combined, you're gonna get a ton of views on YouTube. And Mr. Beast does this with his videos. This was a sketch that he shared of one of the videos he was thinking about making. And because it had a good title and because it had a good thumbnail, he knew people were going to click on it. So he decided to go through and actually make this YouTube video, which got, millions and millions of views. And he focused first on packaging before he ever did anything with creating the video on YouTube. He came up with the title, the thumbnail, the idea first. Now, you might not know where to start when it comes to coming up with a good title, a good topic, and a good thumbnail. And so I made this video for you. You can click on the screen to check that out. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.